Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this coily custard, and when I used this for my wash and go, it came out popping. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Let's get started. So for this tutorial, we're going to use flaxseed. Flaxseed contains vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps with hair growth. It adds great hold without making the hair crunchy. It contains omega-3 fatty acid and hence help to moisturize the hair. Flaxseed helps balance the hair pH level and help with controlling oil production. And so to start, we'll have 2 cups of water, and in a boiling water we'll add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. And after boiling for some time, then I'm going to use my strainer to strain it. At this point, I make sure that the flaxseed is not thick, very thick. It's just light so that it can pass through the strainer. So after that, I measure out 1 cup of flaxseed gel and 4 tablespoons of shea butter. That's what I'm using for this. And shea butter softens dry brittle hair and repairs split ends, and that's why I'm using it for this tutorial. It has vitamin E and A with essential fatty acid, which add moisture and shine to the hair. And so after adding my shea butter to it, then I'll put in a double boiler. I'm going to put the 2 bowls in a double boiler, and at this point I added 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Below this video I will drop the link to the almond oil, the one I made myself. That's what I use in this tutorial. So in a hot water bath like this, I put the 2, and now I'm combining both the oil and the flaxseed gel. So at this point I'm using guar gum. Guar gum hydrates the hair by sealing in the moisture. That's why I use it for this. It makes the hair smooth and shining. It prevents breakage as well. So at this point I use my hand blender to blend to make sure I mix it together, and I added peppermint oil because of the tingly sensation I get from it. And I added preservative to this. If you don't add preservative, then you leave it in your fridge for 1 week. After that it will spoil. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and like them, comment if you have any question. See you next time. Bye.